work. Pump this oil. These dairy farms need these oils for their tractors, you know. Little engines. I gotta bring it to them, baby. You little me. Uh-oh. That's all right. You gonna spill some oil, man. Some oil gonna spill. It's part of the job. Put your toys away. Do this paperwork. Yeah, I mean. Alright, put that up. Let's go do this paperwork. Man. Do the job properly, make sure everything's secure, you know what I mean? You don't need no mishaps on the job. Definitely don't want to bust your ass. You know, we got to close the door. We got going down, elevator type shit, you feel me? But yeah, man. It's nice out here on this dairy farm, though. It's nice out here today, man. All right, let's get this paperwork done. Get out of here. Get to the next stop. We working, man. It's been a long time. Shouldn't have left you. Let's hop up in here and do this paperwork, feel me? Let's get it done. Let's get it done like we do. Put y'all right there. Alright, we pumped 98 gallons. Or Earl. Pump this Earl. 98 gallons. Give them their paperwork and that's it. So, on to the next one. Well, I pumped 98 gallons of that.